Hi, hello everyone. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon to whichever part of the world you are in. Firstly, welcome to each one of you for the Deep Learning Online Boot Camp. And probably I'll start off with a bit of introduction about myself. I'm Chanukya. I'm the co-founder of DeFi, which we started with a vision to build an ecosystem to shape the future of AI and democratize data science education. And our inception of the ecosystem started as a community that is now home for 30K plus data science and tech enthusiasts. As you can see, we have built a lot of modules on the community front to promote open education, wherein we keep conducting datathons on a regular basis, where one can learn data science through real world AI challenges and data sprints. At the same time, they can discuss on the community, on the discussion forum, as well as on the Slack forums. We have also built open education micro courses where you can enroll to any of the courses and learn it as self-paced. At the same time, we also keep conducting boot camps at regular levels where to promote community learning. That's one of the, the deep learning boot camp that we are doing is part of the boot camps initiative, and we are really looking forward to seeing you there. And one thing that we have noticed after starting the community and then running it for over a year is one thing that we have witnessed along with the community is the power of community learning, where everyone learns together, struggles together, and grows together. At the same time, they share knowledge, and together they make things happen. That's the best part of community learning, and we would want to continue promoting that and scale it to the next level through our boot camps. And we believe the community will come along the way with us. And with that, I'm really excited and pumped up to invite and welcome each one of you for the boot camp. And if you have some other friends who would want to get started with deep learning or who would want to enhance their deep learning knowledge, then feel free to recommend them to join the boot camp. It'll be fun and it'll be exciting. And let me get straight to the format and some essentials of the boot camp. So basically, coming to the boot camp, right? Every, we will be releasing week-wise modules, and for that week-wise modules, we'll be releasing content on certain particular days. We have put that information on these two URLs, so you can feel free to go to these URLs and find the information. So as you can see, we have put the entire schedule and also the course format. Okay, we keep releasing the content on every Friday and Wednesday, and also we have few recorded live sessions, recorded in live sessions. And also we have for real time communication, we have Slack as well as a discussion forum, and we also give some assignments on real world problems during the course of the boot camp, which the learners are expected to solve. And one of the important things that we would promote in the entire process is the community learning, where we all will learn together, fail together, and share knowledge together. And that's the purpose of this boot camp, wherein we would do everything together, and at the end of the day, we would achieve our learning objectives. So with that, let me quickly go to the next slide. And I'll also share this particular PPT in the video description that is available under this video. Okay, you can access this later too. And coming to the criteria of completion, this is a question that was asked by many learners. So you'll have to get a certificate of completion, you'll have to complete all the assignments that we give with a cumulative score of 60%. I think that's pretty much possible. If you're able to attend or go through all the material and be able to apply your problem solving skills. And what it takes to do one thing is you need to be extremely passionate about learning a new skill and have that never give up attitude. And most importantly, you need to believe in yourself. You can make it happen. Okay, and then rest if you are stuck anywhere, or if you are stuck with some technical questions or something else, feel free to reach out to us on Slack or on discussion forum. We'll be more than happy to help you address with your queries. And if you're looking for more motivation, I have added few videos of some of our previous learners who have given some motivational tips or how they have progressed through their learning journey with our boot camps. And what kind of support you can expect from us will be putting up a lot of resourceful information. That's one thing. And we'll also be conducting some office hours every weekend. We'll communicate that to you later on Slack and also via email communication channels. That's something that we would do. And you can also post your questions on discussion forum and Slack. Please do not hesitate to do that as and when you get. And don't forget, most importantly, you should not forget pinging your best friends, that is Google and Stack Overflow. You'll find most of your answers over there. However, if you're not able to figure it out, just let us know. We'll be happy to help. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the speakers and contributors who have come together to make our first boot camp that we conducted last year successful. And then, when I say the first boot camp, the deep learning boot camp that we conducted last year. And we will also be using some of the content from there. We would really like to thank all of them, Dipanjan, Joynal, Pranjal, Gayatri, Diksha, who have come together to deliver sessions. Also, Raviraj was one among them. And also coming to the contributors, Hassan Ali, Aishwarya, Banu, Raviraj and Farsana have contributed to the learning material that we have prepared, along with our team members, Gunika and Manish. We would like to thank each one of them for making this possible. And with that, I'll take the leave, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you at the boot camp. Most importantly, don't forget to have this link with you. Basically, you need to have your own, you need to have this boot camp link. This is extremely important. So here, you'll find go to bootcamp, and once you click on go to bootcamp, you'll find all the material here. Okay. First and foremost, we have put the guidelines, and after that, we have put a section for putting content for each and every module. So here you can find all the content that is available out there. Okay. So in order to open a full screen of this PPTs, all you need to do is just click on this action item, and then click on enter full screen, and you'll be able to see it. Okay. And thanks a lot, everyone. And if you know someone who's wanting to get started with deep learning, and feel free to share this URL, and we'll be looking forward to seeing your friends and colleagues at the bootcamp too. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. Bye.